Hey there, traders. Dale Silver, Trader Boys. Taking a look at SLV on the weekly time frame. A little bit of chatter out there that retail traders are going to try and do a short squeeze on this, and that would be kind of very, very interesting. Silver and gold are being held low, heavily manipulated to be contained and keep these low for inflation purposes. So if we can get some buyers on this thing could absolutely pop and have a massive run behind it. So we're going to look at what are we going to look for to give us permission to enter the market. So this is SLV weekly time frame. You'll see right here on the chart here, we got the upper trend line coming off the opening price here, right through to the opening price here, coming through, and you can see on Friday, well, this week we closed right at that. Dropping down a time frame here, looking on the daily time frame. As you take the upper trend line coming through, and you can see we closed just below that on Friday. If we look at the price action here, you can see it's kind of very, very bullish at this point. Wednesday closed just above the lower trend line here, gap up, right? We got pushed down, but then buyers stepped in and pushed this right back up on massive volume here. Long tails is very bullish indication of buyers. On Friday, gap up again, pushed all the way back down, and buyers stepped in to force it all the way back up. So we're looking for a break above this upper trend line. Now the standard sort of formation that'll take place on this is we'll get the breakthrough, and if it's really, really strong, it'll just continue to run. If not, we'll get the retracement back down to what was once resistance, becomes new demand, new support, and then we can look for the entry coming off there. So you can take the breakout entry, which is going to be a more aggressive entry, but on something like this, if those buyers do step in, then you want to take the early entry and not the more passive entry. Look at this. What we really need to see to get the big run on this is we've got to get above this high right here, and that's right at 27.44 on that high. If we can break that high, that's going to have a beautiful move to the upward direction. We got the volume in place here for this to take place, so it's just a matter of wait and see, set the alerts in here, and jump on that trade if it takes place.